ओडिशा SSB TGT CBZ मॉक टेस्ट 1 पैटर्न टोटल क्वेश्चंस 100 टोटल मार्क्स 150 टाइम 2 आवर्स नेगेटिव मार्किंग 0.5 करेक्ट आंसर +1.5 क्वेश्चन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन Q.1 बॉटनी Q.29 जूलॉजी Q.57 केमिस्ट्री Q.85 पेडागॉजी इवैल्यूएशन बॉटनी क्वेश्चंस 1 cell structure and function 1 according to the fluid mosaic model the plasma membrane consists of A cellulose and proteins, B phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins, C protein bilayer, D lipid monolayer. 2 which of the following is the largest cell organelle in a mature plant cell? A nucleus, B mitochondrion, C vacuole, D chloroplast. 3 ribosomes responsible for protein synthesis in chloroplast are A 80S, B 70S, C 60S, D 50S. 4 the selectively permeable membrane of the vacuole is called A plasmalemma, B tonoplast, C cell wall, D nuclear membrane. 5 which organelle is called the suicidal bag of the cell? A Golgi body, B lysosome, C ribosome, D endoplasmic reticulum. 6 cell wall is mainly composed of A chitin, B cellulose, C glycogen, D lignin. 7 the powerhouse of the cell is A Golgi apparatus, B chloroplast, C mitochondrion, D peroxisome. 8 chromosomes become visible during A interphase, B prophase, C cytokinesis, D G phase. 9 which phase of mitosis is characterized by alignment of chromosomes at the equatorial plate? A prophase, B metaphase, C anaphase, D telophase. Thus, crossing over occurs during A leptotene, B cygotene, C pachytene, D diplotene. Biomolecules 11 the building blocks of proteins are A fatty acids, B amino acids, C nucleotides, D monosaccharides. 12 which carbohydrate is known as milk sugar? A maltose, B lactose, C sucrose, D fructose. 13 DNA contains which sugar? A ribose, B deoxyribose, C glucose, D fructose. 14 which enzyme digests starch? A pepsin, B trypsin, C amylase, D lipase. Plant anatomy 15 Casparian strips occur in A epidermis, B cortex, C endodermis, D pericycle. 16 companion cells are associated with A xylem vessels, B tracheids, C sieve tubes, D fibers. 17 secondary growth occurs due to A apical meristem, B lateral meristem, C intercalary meristem, D epidermis. 18 which tissue provides mechanical strength to young stems? A parenchyma, B collenchyma, C phloem, D epidermis. Photosynthesis 19 the light reaction occurs in A stroma, B thylakoid membrane, C cytoplasm, D matrix, B. Calvin cycle occurs in A. Grana, B. Stroma, C. Cytoplasm, D. Thylakoid lumen. 21. The primary CO acceptor in C plants is A. PEP, B. RuBP, C. PGA, D. OAA. 22. Kranz anatomy is found in A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Maj, D. P. 23. Which pigment acts as the reaction center of photosystem 2? A. P700, B. Chlorophyll B, C. P680, D. Xanthophyll. Respiration. 24. Glycolysis occurs in A. Cytoplasm, B. Mitochondria, C. Chloroplast, D. Nucleus. 25. Krebs cycle occurs in A. Cytoplasm, B. Mitochondrial matrix, C. Ribosome, D. Golgi body. Plant growth mineral nutrition. 26. Which plant hormone promotes stem elongation? A. GABA, B. Auxin, C. Ethylene, D. Cytokinin. 27. Nitrogen is absorbed mainly by plants in the form of A. NH&NO, B. N gas, C. Urea, D. Amino acids. 28. Which of the following is a micronutrient? A. Nitrogen, B. Potassium, C. Zinc, D. Calcium,